Hello guys, welcome back to day 12 of our React 30 days 0 to hero series. And today we will be discussing about events in React. Let's get started. So what are the events? So events are the functions which gets triggered whenever user performs any action, like pressing the keyboard buttons or clicking the mouse button, like that. So events makes our web application interactive. So whenever user interacts with our application can respond back to the user. So let's discuss onClick event. First of all, I'll create a div. Inside that, I'll create a button. I'll name it as a click me. To capture event in a React app, we have event handlers. So in the case of mouse click, we have onClick event. So whenever user clicks the mouse button, this onClick event gets filed, and whatever code we have written inside this function gets executed. So I'll write one function over here, const button clicked, and I will write here alert box, I am clicked, like this, and I will pass this function to our onClick handler. So like this. Let's test on our front end. So whenever I'm clicking, this alert box is getting executed. Let's discuss how to implement onChange event in our React app. So I will create one more div here. Inside this, I will create one input box. I'll close it here only. I'll create a state variable here first, and I will initialize it to empty string. Also, for our input box, we have one attribute called value. Value means the data of our input box. So currently I will set it to name. And for our input element, we have onChange event. So to grab the data whichever we are typing in our input box, we have to grab the event here. Like this. You can name it anything. And we will be setting the name here by event.target.value. So basically we are setting the value whatever we are writing here, we are grabbing that in our event.target.value and setting that to our state variable, which is our name, and simultaneously we will be printing that name on our front end window. So I'll create one more div here. Name is equal to name. I'll save it. Let's test this. So I'll be writing here React course. So as you can see here, whatever we are typing in our input box gets reflected on our DOM. So these are the two events which we have discussed. Also we have some more events like on focus, then on blur, like that. So your task is to implement these two events in your project, and if you found any difficulty, then you can ask me in comment sections. I will happy to reply. So that's it for today's video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.